I purposely left off the horizon. I just put a little dot here. I don't know if you can see that, but I put a little dot there because I want to have a nice straight line for the horizon. I just need a ruler. So to do that, I'm going to measure it. Measure one side and then measure the other. Drawing a little line there in pencil. And then I know it's going to be nice and straight. So I'm going to take some masking tape now. Okay, all right, so you take your masking tape and you put it right across that line. Make sure you press down pretty hard. And then that's going to keep the sky colors away from the watercolors.
So don't blend.
Away from the watercolors, that's funny. Now we'll take a large brush. And then we're going to wet the paper. Get another big brush. Okay, big brush. Wet the paper. I don't want it soaking wet. I'm going to wet it all the way across. And this is what we have to remember to do, is to make the colors, when we put the color, the blue on, we want to make it go, we want it dark on the left and going lighter on the right. We don't need to cover every little bit of the white because we want to have a little bit of cloud. See the little bit of cloud in here? Okay, so and then at the opportune moment, we will take a little bit of alizarin crimson and just drop it into the sky and get that little bit of red. But you have to be very careful not to put too much because it'll leave a big stain of red in the sky. Alizarin crimson is a very staining, highly staining color. All right, now that I've talked a whole bunch, is this still wet? Okay. All right. So now I'm applying the blue, and I'm going to wet it over on this side a bit, so that on the right side, so that it's not too dark there, but I want it darker on the left side. Okay, and then near the horizon it gets lighter as well. Okay, so I think this is the opportune moment to just drop in a little bit of alizarin crimson. Wow, that's really dark. I hope it lightens. Okay, but I'm going to use my brush and barely touch it.
Okay then.
Going to leave the tape on for a while. So you want that nice, fresh, clean horizon. So what you do is you put your tape over top of your sky, right, and it ends right at the horizon line. Press it down pretty good, like pretty thick, pretty heavy.